Today's product review is over our sweet Chipotle barbecue rub. This rub is a very robust flavored with a hint of sweetness in the back without a lot of heat, but it definitely carries through on the Chipotle. Now, what we're going to do is just like on all other reviews, we're going to start with the product packaging itself. On one side, you'll see our nutrition panel, our ingredient statement, the our address, our website, and our UPC. Rolling it around to the front, you have our logo at the top. It is part of our original blend series. It's our sweet Chipotle. It does come in an 11-ounce bottle. Whoop, wrong direction. And we're going to roll over. And on this side, you'll have where it shows as seen on the Barbecue Pitmasters TV show, a brief description to where if you're walking down an aisle, you can read and kind of see a little bit about it, and some icons right there, what we recommend, suggest it can be used on. And on the bottom is that is our expiration date, or use by date. Sorry about that. On the top is a flip top. And then the flip top is one that you can use for spreading. And then that'll open up and be for a large consumption if you need to dish it out like that. Let's open it up. And you'll have the safety seal on the inside. Let's open this up. And I'll do like I always do. I'll start with an aroma, give you an idea of what I smell and of that. I can smell the peppers and I can smell herbs, but I'll be honest with you, that's really about all I'm getting out of the smell of this. Yeah. Okay. So let's pour it out and show you a little bit of what it looks like. You can kind of see it right there. You can see the product. It is a very fine ground. And if I shake it, as you can see, it doesn't separate. So the salts, the peppers, everything stays in place to where it needs to be, and it should do that right there. So I'm going to look through it. It's a very fine ground product. I'm not seeing a lot of large particles, anything like that. And there's reasons for that. And the reason it is such a fine grind is that when you sprinkle it onto the meat, it will be absorbed very quickly and go straight in and start seasoning immediately. Let's get a good taste of this, show you what I'm getting out of the flavors. Immediately, I get a whole lot of it's a sweetness along with a robust savory flavor. The heat came on probably within 2 seconds. I've gotten some heat. My gosh, what a great flavor that you get out of this product. I'm still getting some heat. So on a scale of say 1 to 10, I don't eat a lot of hot, spicy products. So I would call this probably a 6.5. I don't think it'll burn you down any, but it's got some heat and it does linger. The sweetness is gone. It's not there anymore, but that's the sweet Chipotle, as you can see. And I'm going to try to show you the color of it right up close. That is going to be the color that when you sprinkle it onto your ribs, your chicken, pork chops, that's the robust red color. It's going to make that. So it's going to be a beautiful amber color before you ever even start cooking. You can find our sweet Chipotle. It comes in this 11-ounce, and it comes in a bulk 2-pound bag. You can find them out on our website, or you can go to any of our retail stores and ask those managers where to find the Butcher Barbecue products. I about guarantee you they will have our sweet Chipotle rub.